Shizuoka, a place where history meets flavor. An adventure awaits at every corner. From sizzling Oden to jaw-dropping views of Mount Fuji, this is a journey you won't forget. Welcome to Shizuoka. Tonight, we're diving straight into the heart of local flavor at Aoba Yokocho. Shizuoka's very own shopping lane. If you wonder what Oden is, it's a comforting Japanese hot pot dish of various ingredients like daikon, tofu and fish cakes, simmered in a light soy-based broth. This place is the ultimate comfort zone for your taste buds. Let's eat. So we decided to eat at this place. Ingredients used are lined up in front of you. It was a cold day, which made it taste even better. Butter-fried shiitake mushroom was also freaking delicious. The cold grilled one was also a recommendation. So after eating, we decided to explore the area around the station. We found this cozy restaurant alley close to the station. When visiting Shizuoka next time, I'd love to eat here, because I absolutely love this kind of spots. It feels like stepping back in time. Let's head back to our hotel for the night. Forgot the key. With the keys in my hand, let me try once again to show you the hotel for the night. So here's our cozy room. Simple, but perfect for relaxing after a long day. And the best part, 2 nights with breakfast included for just $110. So cheap, it's almost like inflation never hit Japan. You also get a nice night view. Good morning! Let's head for today's sightseeing spot. We're stepping back in time at Kunōsan Tōshō-gū, a stunning shrine dedicated to Tokugawa Ieyasu. Today we'll explore its history, breathtaking architecture, and the serene beauty of these surroundings. By the way, this shrine is packed with history and stairs. A lot of stairs. 1159 in fact. But hey, it probably helps me burn off all that food we had yesterday. And as we get higher, views also get better and better. There are so many things to see here, so I recommend you to go early in the morning. This is the Romon Gate, the main entrance to Kunōsan Tōshō-gū. Its vibrant colors and detailed carvings reflect the opulence of the Edo period. Kunōsan Tōshō-gū is not only the resting place of Tokugawa Ieyasu, but also home to other smaller shrines located within its grounds. By the way, the history of Kunōsan Tōshō-gū dates back to the early 17th century. After unifying Japan and establishing the Tokugawa shogunate, Tokugawa Ieyasu, this dude, retired to Sunpu Castle in 1605. He passed away in 1616 at the age of 73. And according to his will, his remains were first enshrined here at Mount Kuno, a site he personally selected due to its strategic location and spiritual significance. The shrine was constructed shortly after his death, becoming the first ever Tōshō-gū shrine dedicated to Ieyasu. you could spend so much time here. The shrine's location was also no coincidence. Mount Kuno offered not only a place of tranquility, but also a commanding view of the bay, symbolizing Ieyasu's watchful eye over the land he had unified. But this place is just not a shrine, it's also a mausoleum. As previously mentioned, built in 1617 as the final resting place of Tokugawa Ieyasu, the founder of the Tokugawa shogunate, which ruled Japan for over 250 years during the Edo period. After his death in 1616, his remains were initially interred here, and the remains were later enshrined at Nikko according to his own will. After exploring the shrine, we hopped on the Nihondaira Ropeway for a ride with views so stunning, it's like nature's own postcard. It cost 700 yen for one-way ticket and 1,250 for a both-way ticket. So we arrived at the peak. We headed for the Nihondaira Yume Terrace, a place where you can get great views of Mount Fuji. By the way, I'm sorry about this spot, and this cannot be forgiven. If you didn't notice, forget I even said something. After getting some great views of Mount Fuji, we rode the ropeway back down. It's time for lunch at Ieyasu Shokudo, which can be found after climbing down all the stairs we previously climbed. It has a relaxed mood. We ordered shirasudon, which is basically whitebait fishbowl, which was complemented by some absolutely delicious side dishes. And the price was 1,500 yen per person. And after enjoying that delicious meal, we decided to head for a nearby pine forest. First, Miho Jinja. This sacred site is not only a place of worship, but also deeply connected to Japanese mythology and the natural beauty of the region. Let's buy a fortune note. You can buy a normal one with a birthstone included, or one with a strap and a beautiful stone charm attached. I choose the latter one. After putting in 200 yen, I grab one. Looks fabulous. Yay, I got a good fortune. My girlfriend unfortunately got a bad one, so she stringed it up on a rack to leave the bad luck behind. Never seen a palm tree this huge. Have you? Since the sun is soon setting, let's explore the next place. This place is called Road of the Gods, and it connects Miho Jinja to the coast. Walking here feels like stepping into an ancient story. We stop by Miho Shirube, a cultural center that's part museum and part Fuji viewing spot. You can get view of pine trees together with Fuji here. Welcome to Miho no Matsubara, a breathtaking coastal pine grove stretching over 7 kilometers. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers stunning views of the majestic Mount Fuji and has inspired poets and artists for centuries. For example, Matsubara, one of Japan's most renowned ukiyo-e artists, and Utagawa Hiroshige, a famous haiku poet. This spot is the origin of the legend of Ben-Saiten, the goddess of music and fortune, who hung her clothes on a pine tree while bathing in the sea. The tree became sacred, symbolizing divine protection and a connection between the earthly and celestial realms. This place is home to over 13,000 black pine trees, creating a serene, almost magical atmosphere. And heading against the coast, you'll suddenly see the ocean. Turning your head left, Fuji comes into view. It's definitely the star of the trip. To wrap things up, we went full zen with some matcha and amazake, perfect way to wind down. Amazake is, by the way, a traditional Japanese fermented rice drink. It's pretty sweet. Finally, we got an evening view of Mount Fuji just outside the door. And before going back to the hotel, we grabbed some food at Pierre's Bakery. It's an Italian, and their bread and meat is especially a recommendation. The bread is so soft that it melts in your mouth, and it was absolutely delicious. The cheese sauce was also incredible. Thanks for tagging along today. If you enjoyed this trip, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. See you in the next one.